In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and export an account statement on Binance. This feature is specifically designed for desktop use, as it's not always fully supported or visible on mobile apps. So, make sure you're ready to use your web browser to follow along with this tutorial. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Binance account on your desktop computer. Go ahead and open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Binance website. Once you're there, enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you're ready to begin the process of generating your account statement. Now, direct your attention to the top menu of the Binance homepage. You'll find an option called Wallet. Hover your mouse over it, and from the drop-down menu, find and click on Account Statement. This will take you to the page where you can define the specifics of the statement you want to generate. Once you're on the account statement page, you can start customizing your statement to suit your needs. The first choice you'll make is selecting the date for which you want a snapshot of your balances. You'll find this option easily displayed, allowing you to select a specific date that is of interest to you. After setting your date, it's time to choose which account types or wallets you want to include in your statement. Binance offers several options here, including spot, margin, futures, earn, and funding, among others. Select as many of these as you need to see in your account snapshot. Next up is choosing the currency in which you'd like your estimated value displayed. Binance provides options such as BTC or USDT, so select the one that you are most comfortable with or the one that aligns with your financial goals or reporting needs. Once you've made all these selections, click the Search button. This will generate the account statement based on your specified criteria. Now that you can see your statement, you'll have the option to export it. Look for the Export button and give it a click. You'll be presented with different ways to export or send your statement. If you prefer a download, opt for either PDF or JPEG. Alternatively, you can send the statement directly to your registered Binance email or even another third-party email address if you so choose. Should you choose PDF for export, you'll notice a prompt to set up an 8-digit password. This step is for encrypting the file, which adds an additional layer of security. Make sure to choose a password you'll remember. After exporting, a download link will be provided. Keep in mind that this link is only valid for 7 days. It's crucial to download the file within this time frame. Otherwise, you'll need to regenerate the statement if it expires. And there you have it, a straightforward way to export your account statement on Binance. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!